The A2500 features 3 program settings to create your favorite smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, and then turn the blender off automatically. A new built-in digital timer displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
Get inspired to explore new culinary possibilities with Ninja Chef. The Ninja Chef features a 1500-watt advanced motor system, next-generation high-speed blade design, and Ninja's widest variable speed range, designed to power through tough ingredients and avoid bogging down. Choose from a menu of 10 chef-developed Auto IQ preset programs, or switch to manual mode for total variable speed control and customization with Ninja's widest variable speed range. From restaurant-style purees and salsas to smoothies, ice creams, frozen drinks, and even hot soups, Ninja Chef easily turns all your home-cooked inspiration into chef-quality results.
Take your blending experience to the next level this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender to your countertop. This elite blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor, the most powerful motor ever in Cuisinart blenders. Commercial-grade power combined with one-touch function make the Hurricane Pro your simple solution for creating creamy nut butters, crushing ice, and blending consistent smoothies. The ultra-large 64-ounce BPA-free Triton jar provides stability and comfort when blending large amounts of the toughest ingredients. Exclusive BlendLogic's operating technology and automatic load sensing capability means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending power for preset functions that never miss the mark. Use any of the default pre-programmed functions for crushing ice, making smoothies, preparing hot soups, or cleaning. Or use the memory function to adjust the pre-programmed settings to your preference for recipes you make frequently. The variable speed control allows you to customize your blending speed from 3,000 to 25,000 RPMs, and the Turbo Burst function takes the commercially designed 6-prong stainless steel blades to their maximum 30,000 RPMs to obliterate your toughest ingredients. Where other blenders are aided in their toughest assignments, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro rips through seeds and nuts for tamperless operation. The tight seal lid comes with a removable 2-ounce measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. The Hurricane Pro comes with a 10-year warranty, and its refined gunmetal finish ensures this powerful blender impresses not only in operation, but in style. Pulverizing power, ultra versatility, and consistent blending results are just a few of the reasons to treat your kitchen to an upgrade this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro to your countertop.
The new Hamilton Beach SoundShield 950 blender with quiet blend technology is 55% quieter than a traditional blender. Here's a traditional blender. And here's the SoundShield 950 in action. Our quiet blend technology keeps noise levels low so you can make a 6 a.m. smoothie without disturbing your family. Keep the conversation going while mixing margaritas, and let the baby keep napping while dinner gets started. Our hinged quiet shield provides superior noise reduction that keeps all of your blending noise at bay, while our motor, fan, and rubber jar pad are all designed to muffle sounds while they work. But the innovation doesn't stop at keeping quiet. The 950 is a powerhouse when it comes to smoothies, icy drinks, salsas, soups, hummus, and more. It crushes ice with a 950-watt peak power motor and stainless steel blades. 5 speeds with pulse gives you complete control, and 3 pre-programmed settings blend to the desired results with just the push of a button. The 52-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar has a spill-stopping, drip-free pour spout to minimize the mess. It's easy to blend your own smoothies to go with the included 20-ounce blend-in travel jar. It's also easy to clean. Just lift, press, and slide the SoundShield to remove. The blades also remove for cleaning. It's a snap. Combine powerful blending, easy use, quick cleanup, and more peace and quiet in your kitchen, and you have the Hamilton Beach SoundShield 950. Now that's good thinking.